Good day, guys. Today we are going to be looking at an alternative to long division. Let's say I have the question 8 divided by 5. What do I need to do? Solution. I write this division as 8 over 5. Now I look for what I will use to multiply the denominator, that is the number at the bottom, so that I will get an answer that is either 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on, provided that it is a number that is containing 1 and 0 or 1 and zeros. So in this case, I know that when I multiply 5 by 2, I'm going to get 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So since I am multiplying the denominator by 2, I must do so for the numerator, that is the top number, so that it will be equal. If I'm multiplying the bottom by 2, I multiply the top by 2. So at the end of the day, my answer will be 8 times 2 is 16 over 5 times 2 is 10, which is the 10 I am looking for. It could be 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. Therefore, to divide by 10 is very easy. Just simply cancel the 0 and move an invisible point here backwards. So our final answer will be equal to 1, then the point, then 6, 1.6. Then this one here, we can just leave that one out because anything divided by 1 is still equal to that thing. So that is 1.6. What if I have a question? What if I have 7 divided by 25? How can I do this without doing long division and still get my correct answer? Again, solution. I'll write it in this format: 7 over 25. Now I look for what I will use to multiply this denominator 25 that will give me either 10, 100, 1000, and so on. But I know that when I multiply 25 by 4, it will give me 100. 25 times 4 is 100. So I can use 100 too. Therefore, I must multiply 7 by 4. Then it is equal to 7 times 4 is 28. Then 25 times 4 is 100. So it is 100. Now, I just simply cancel the 0 and move invisible points backward. So I move 1 point here. The point is here now. But there is still one more 0. I cancel that as well. And the point moves to this place. Now the point is sitting here. When the point is sitting here, it means there is nothing before the point. And nothing before the point is the same thing as 0 before the point. Therefore, our answer is 0.28. Therefore, 7 divided by 25 is equal to 0.28. Now, let me take one more so that you will understand it better. What if I have 5 divided by 4? 5 divided by 4. Again, solution. I write it in the format 5 over 4. Now I look for what I will use to multiply 4 to get either 100. So these are our key numbers, and it could continue to get either 10, 100, 1000, and so on. But I know that when I multiply 4 by 25, I will get 100. So I multiply 4 by 25, and I do the same thing to 5. 5 times 25. And it is equal to 5 times 25 is 125. So to do multiplication is easy. If you don't know that one easily, you can simply write 25 times 5 and solve. 5 times 5 is 25. Pull down 5, carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So you have 125. Then 4 times 25 will give you 100. So you have 100 one more time. Now, simply cancel 0 and move invisible point. Move the point here. The point is now here. You cancel this 0. Move the point here. The point is here now. So that leaves you with an answer that is 1, then the 0.25. So that is your final answer. So I hope with this you can be able to do your long division without going through the lengthy process. And this works when the denominators are either 2. If your denominator is 2, it will work. If your denominator is 4, it will work. If your denominator is 5, it will work. If your denominator is 8, it will work. So it works for all these denominators and their multiples. But if your denominator is 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, and so on, it will not work. You will have to use the long division. So we are going to learn how to do our long division in our next video. Thank you very much.